Hey, welcome to Tomboy Beauty. My name's Amy Harber. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube at all these lovely places. This is the February Birchbox. I'm a little behind on unboxing, but hey, quarantine life got me doing crazy things. So this box here is supposed to uncomplicate your beauty routine. And there's a lot of fun stuff. So let's get into it. So hey y'all, February Birchbox. Uncomplicate your beauty routine. Birchbox tip 179. Going to bed with a clean face is one of the easiest ways to prevent breakouts. Duh. So, I love this box because it has one of my favorite shampoo brands, Davines. I just actually emptied a bottle of Momo. It's moisturizing shampoo. It's incredible. I love it. And I got the conditioner too. It works on all hair types. Love it. It smells great too. I love these. They're great for traveling. Not doing any traveling right now, but they're great for it. Then we've got Marcelle waterproof eyeliner. Let me tell you just how great waterproof makeup is these days. Living in quarantine life when you never know when the tears are going to start. But save you from looking like a smeared mess. It's in brown. So espresso. So let's actually just espresso my eyes. A little. There we go. It's not perfect. It's one thing I've learned in quarantine is that you don't have to be perfect. Marcelle espresso waterproof. Then we've got Oribe dry texture spray. Yeah, let's test it out. So it's part dry shampoo, part texturizer. Little texture to the hair. There we go. It smells great too. Then, can't make it to the facialist because quarantine, but I got a sheet mask so I can at least moisturize my face. I love their white lotus. I mean, their blue lotus and white tea line. I've had the mud mask from this line. Now I've got a sheet mask. It's awesome. Okay. Normally, like when stuff comes in boxes, I take out the packaging so that I don't have, fumble with it on camera. But this was just so cute. It's like a little mini milk carton. Isn't it adorable? So it's glow milk. It's a highlighter. It's a warm highlighter. If I can get it undone. And oop. Highlight those cheekbones. Whoop. Just to even it. Oh. There we go. We're highlighted now. A little glow milk. And that is everything in the February Birchbox. I feel so uncomplicated now. Anyway, follow me, subscribe, and stay beautiful.